Here's a big bite of oatmeal. We like the oatmeal the best. That is delicious, isn't it, bud? Here we go. Oh, let's get it back in. What do you say? Oh, you did it yourself. Messy little guy. All right. Can you sit up? Here we go, up here. Come on. You gonna help it in? You gonna help it in? Is Nolan trying to eat your food? Say, Nolan, this is not for you. Oh, here we go. Uh-oh. That was all hands. Oh, there we go. Nolan, get out of here. Here he goes. Here's a big bite. Yummers. Look at that happy face. Oh, yummers. Let me see you. Yum.